The word of tea.
Welcome to the tea factory. The process of tea manufacture consists of several stages. The first stage is winnowing, which means the removal of moisture. Then the leaves, whereby 30% of moisture is removed, which crushes and squeezes the leaf. The leaf coming out of the rotary then enters the CTC machines. CTC means cutting, turning and curling. These machines, which are 5 in number, have sharp rollers on them. They cut, turn and curl the leaf while it passes through them. After the CTC, the leaf enters the Ooty. Oxidation, the enzymes in the leaf react with the oxygen in the atmosphere and changes in color produced by a heater. Heat drying takes almost 16 minutes. After the tea is dried, it assumes. You can now go down to the manufacturing area and see the machine.
Awal masa awal macam tu, tak boleh pasal